Either you can give me the information that I need for my ticket I'm going to give you, or you could go to jail. So which one would you like to do? Open up your door. I just went to your concert. You support law enforcement, right?
Of course I do.
He tried to buck up a little bit, tried to press record on his phone.
This is why people do not like police officers. Fucking cops are out of hand, truly. Take it easy, brother.
All right.
Sorry about that.
We're back, and today's video is body cam footage from a police encounter with Zach Bryan, a famous singer who has some good songs and gets upwards of 26 million streams a month on Spotify alone, and who apparently backs the blue, even licking boots after they've treaded all over him. Now, recently, Mr. Bryan was arrested in Veneta, Oklahoma for obstructing an investigation after his bodyguard was pulled over for a traffic infraction. Here's a short clip of that video, which has since gone viral.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm wondering why it's taking so long.
Well, it's not any of your business. If you need to get back in your truck, because you interfere with officer discharge of duties right now. Either get back in your truck or go to jail. I don't care which.
I'll go to jail. I'm done.
All right.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. This is the second time this happened to me in 3 days, actually. This is why people do not like police officers.
I understand.
No, I understand too, sir. I know every high pole, I know every sheriff in Tulsa.
Okay.
I let 40 of them go to my BAK show. I know you don't give a fuck, but like this is just insane.
I didn't say that.
Second time it's happened in 3 days. These fucking cops are out of hand, truly.
Okay, so let's rewind to what happened to Mr. Bryan just a few days prior to his arrest, to the body cam footage in question. It starts as Mr. Bryan is being pulled over by police for speeding, and this video gives some context to his later arrest, some of what you just witnessed. Now, there are a few noteworthy extractions here. First, the officer gets triggered and orders Mr. Bryan out of his truck because Mr. Bryan refuses to verbalize his home address. This after Mr. Bryan has already provided the officer with the valid driver's license, which the officer is holding in his hand.
You have your license and insurance?
Sounds good, yeah.
What's your current address?
I'm not really comfortable sharing that.
Either you can give me the information that I need for my ticket I'm going to give you, or you could go to jail. So which one would you like to do? Okay. Open up your door. Go back to the front of my car. Okay.
Are you really arresting me?
Put your hands behind your back.
Second, the initiating officer says that he recently attended Mr. Bryan's concert.
Because I don't think it's any of your business where I live. I'm a famous musician. I don't want people to know where I live.
Okay, sir. I just went to your concert. You support law enforcement, right?
Of course I do.
Third, when backup arrives, the initiating officer lies and projects about the encounter in order to justify his tyrannical, anti-American behavior.
Stopped him for speed, and then he didn't want to give me any of his information.
Okay.
You have your license and insurance?
Sounds good, yeah. Do you need the insurance or the registration?
So I had him step out, and I was going to detain him. He tried to buck up a little bit, tried to press record on his phone.
But the officer gets called out by Mr. Bryan, prompting the officer to admit that the only reason he escalated the encounter was because Mr. Bryan refused to answer questions. In other words, asserted constitutional rights.
Do what?
What you just said isn't true. You just told him a lie.
When I had my hand on your back, I felt you press.
You said I bucked up to you.
I could see.
You bucked up. Then you bucked up. You said you can either take me to jail, or I can tell you where I live. I know cops. I get it. I understand. What you did was wrong.
Normally, people don't refuse their information to me. When they start refusing information to me.
Now, for the most amazing part. All this happens while Mr. Bryan repeatedly assures the officers that he supports what they do.
Take it easy, brother.
All right.
Sorry about that.
In fact, he's already issued a groveling apology on social media, where he repeatedly notes that he's an idiot and the cops were just doing their job, violating him.
I was an idiot today, and my decisions did not reflect who I was as a person, and I just want to make that clear. I think it just frustrated me a lot because I didn't know if I had a right to refuse giving him my address or not, but I did, and who knows. But that happened. Fast forward to today. I'm like, man, someone's got to get a hold of you guys. This is like, why are you using your authority like this? This is so wrong. When in reality, they were just doing their jobs. So I get too lippy with him. He brings me over to his car, and I just didn't help my situation at all. I felt like a child. It was ridiculous. It was immature. It was my mistake. I just wanted to apologize to the trooper both troopers that I was rude to. You didn't deserve it, and hopefully one day we meet under different circumstances. Thank you guys, and yeah, last thing I'll say on it, you guys are the best.
Check out the video, and if you're interested, follow the links in the description, which will lead you to more video and information about these events. 1, 2, 3.
Hello. Hello.
How you doing?
Hey, Officer Count Vertigers, please. Got you going 68 and a 50.
Okay.
You have your license and insurance?
Sounds good, yeah.
You still live off 8th Street in Tulsa?
No, sir.
Okay. You have like your registration on you?
I was looking for it. I can't find it.
Your registration would be on paper.
I know. I was looking for it. I can't find
Oh, okay. I got you.
it. Do you need the insurance or the registration?
Both if you have it. What's your current address?
I'm not really comfortable sharing that.
You have to.
Okay. I'm not comfortable sharing
Okay, so either you can give me the information that I need for my ticket I'm going to give you, or you could go to jail. So which one would you like to do?
that. Because I'm not going to give you my address?
Yeah, it's called obstruction.
Okay, I'm going to call my lawyer real fast and see if I have to.
Okay. Open up your door.
I just moved into my new house. I don't know my address.
Put your coffee cup inside the truck.
Oh, shit. I can't wait to do this, man.
Go and go back to the front of my car.
1 sec.
Go back to the front of my car. Okay.
Are you really arresting me?
Put your hands behind your back.
Are you really arresting me right now? No, are you really arresting me?
Put your hands behind your back. If you fight, you're going to go to jail.
This is crazy.
What's crazy is you're not giving me the
sir.
information
No,
that I
sir.
need.
Let's do this.
Now let's go to the front of my car. Okay, so now, because we're sitting on the side of the road, I'm not going to sit here and go all this back and forth stuff. Are you going to give me the information I need?
I don't know the address, sir.
Okay, so why didn't you just say that?
Because I don't think it's any of your business where I live. I'm a famous musician. I don't want people to know where I live.
Okay, sir, listen, I'm only using this information for a ticket that I was
I have
getting ready to
handcuffs
write.
on me right now, sir. You can take me to jail. I'm not doing this.
Central, I got one detained. Okay, so you want to go to jail for?
I don't want to go to jail, sir. This is just insane.
I pulled you over for speeding, man. It's a speeding ticket.
Sounds great. I didn't want to share with you where I lived because I'm famous and I don't want people fucking sneaking onto my property.
Why would I? You can
have
give
no
me the
idea.
address to whatever you want, man. That's
Okay,
it.
then 8th Street on my address.
Okay, that's all I was asking you. I asked if it was your current address, and you said no.
All right, sounds good.
I don't know why we had to go through all
yeah,
this.
I don't fucking either.
You handed me your ID, right?
No, I did, sir.
You sure did.
Hey, stay in there. Stay in there, buddy. Stay in there, buddy.
Here, let me roll up your window.
Please. My fucking dog got shot.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, stay, buddy. Stay in there, please.
Man, you're from Oolagah.
No shit.
So, I just went to your concert. You support
Sounds
law
great.
enforcement, right?
Of course I do. I don't support this shit, though. This is crazy.
Just have a seat on my push bar real quick.
Yes, sir.
This is the Reno Beach West of this intersection. Just wait, okay.
stopped him for speed, and then he didn't want to give me any of his information for his address or anything. So I had him step out, and I was going to detain him. He tried to buck up a little bit, tried to press record on his phone. Just so happens to be Zach Bryan. So, anyways, I'm going to...
What you just said, is it true?
Do what?
What you just said, is it true?
What did I say?
I didn't try to buck up to you. He asked where I lived. I said I didn't feel comfortable
please
sharing
don't
that
step
with
in the
him.
road. Please don't step
He
in
asked
the road.
why. I
If
said
you
I'm
want
a
to talk,
famous
we'll go over here and
musician.
talk.
And he said he's
Man,
going to bring me to
listen,
jail.
man.
I can't fucking wait. Let's do this. Come on.
Listen, dude, here's the deal.
No, I can't wait. I just need my phone.
Listen, just because you're a famous musician doesn't
I
mean
don't
you
care.
have
That's
that
why
you
I'm saying I
can
do
deny
not care. You
information.
can give me a ticket or you can take me to
Code
jail.
4.
You can do one of the two things. Give me a ticket or take me to jail.
Okay.
Please.
All right.
You did not get out, or you code 4.
No.
You just told him a lie.
When I had my hand on your back, I felt you press.
You said I bucked up to you.
When
I
I
didn't
have
buck
my
up. I
hand
got
on your
off
back.
out of the truck. And then you fucking put your hands on me and arrested me. That's
No,
what
you're
happened.
being detained right now.
Okay.
Victor 11, Paul 33, 1090.
Code 4.
Copy, code 4.
I don't know what's going on right now. I just got here back.
Here's the deal, man. Are you gonna act cool with me? I've been trying to be cool.
You're not cool with me.
I've been trying to act cool with you.
I'm
I
not
told
gonna
you I'd
act-
stop you
did
for
not act cool with me.
Okay.
I gave you a valid reason why I didn't give you my address. Is what I did.
Let me do this.
I said I'm a famous
Now that I got
musician, I didn't feel comfortable
now that I got
sharing
my
with you.
partner here, let me take you out of handcuffs. You want to try to start over?
You don't have to. I will go to jail in these handcuffs. I promise.
Really don't want to take you, Joe. Let loose of your
can, though.
hands. Let loose of your hands so I can take these things off. Listen, dude. Right now, I'm going to go finish my paperwork. I'm going to cut you loose, okay? It's a simple traffic violation. I'm not trying to take you to jail for a simple traffic violation. To be real with
course
you,
you're
listen, man.
That would be
I'm one
silly.
guy. I'm one guy on the side of the road, okay? I have no idea who you are. You're in a hat. I don't readily
I
recognize.
wasn't assuming you did.
Okay. Well, you said
Which
you're.
is what's wrong about it. I'm not assuming you recognized who I was.
Okay.
You stopped me. You said, "Where do I live?" I said, "I don't know." Or I didn't say I don't know. I said, "I don't feel comfortable sharing that with you."
I got you.
Because of who I am.
I
Then
can
you
see.
bucked up. Then you bucked up. You said you can either take me to jail, or I can tell you where I live.
It's called
I said,
obstruction.
I don't feel. Sounds good. I got my coffee out of the truck, and then you said, "Put your coffee up."
Mhm.
I got out of the truck, and I said, "What's going on?"
Until I figure out
you
what
turned
the
me
whole-
around and you put
Right.
handcuffs on me.
So until I
Which
figure
I
out.
understand, man. I know cops. I get it. I understand. What you
Okay.
did was wrong.
Okay. Well,
What you
until
did was
until
wrong.
I figured out
Sounds
your
good.
identity and
Yeah.
everything else, man, just being detained.
I understand.
Okay. That's it.
Cool. I
All
can't
right.
wait. Do you still need my registration and insurance?
No, I got what I needed. Hey, sorry, wrong number. Dude, on my phone when dispatch calls me, it shows up as Tulsa Police.
Huh.
I ain't know. I don't.
4 Central today. Release the car. Victor 11, Paul 33, get ready.
Go for it.
Go for it. Go for it.
Hey, partner, I'm just going to give you a warning, okay?
Sounds good.
So here's the deal, man. I don't make a habit out of slamming people against cars. Like I said, I'm by myself. He just happened to be close. There ain't no backup out here for me.
I know, I was just revved up. You got me out of the car. I was like, oh, cool.
I'm trying to catch bad guys out here. I got you speeding. It was just going to be a normal speeding ticket. Normally, people don't refuse their information to me. When they start refusing information to me, I don't recognize you from Adam. I'm out here on a dark roadway, okay?
I understand.
So I ain't trying to treat you like a jerk, okay? So, sorry we got off on the wrong foot, man.
It's all good,
But
brother. Take it easy, brother.
All right.
Sorry about that. Sorry, guys.
All right.
Until next time, thank you for watching Cameras Everywhere. Beware enemies of the people, and remember, a nation's morals are like its teeth. The more decayed they are, the more it hurts to touch them.